Today we will discuss about the square and square root chapter, in which we have to deal the shortcut methods. Yes, it is written here, trick to calculate the square or the square root in less than 5 seconds. We will learn right now. The first one is the diagonal method. You can see that we have written the first method is the diagonal method. Yes, my dear, that trick which we will learn, that will be calculated orally and within less than 5 seconds, that will be done in the last method. The first method, diagonal method, says that suppose we have 2-digit number, we will take a square in such a way that there is 2 rows and 2 columns. This is a 2 rows and 2 columns. There is a square and we will write the given number as 7 and 2. Here also 7 and 2. You can see that there are total 4 square. The one square have been divided into 4 square, and as the name suggests, diagonal method, we have to use their diagonals. We will join the diagonals. Now we will calculate 7 into 7 and we will write here 49. Suppose any number is in single digit, we will write them 0405. 7 into 2, it is 14, so 1 4. 2 into 7, again 1 4, and 2 into 2. For this part, 2 into 2, it is 4, so we will write as 04. Now my dear, you can see that there are single straight line. So here the sum is 4, here the sum is 8, here the sum is 11, and here the sum is 4. So we will consider only unit place and rest other part will be carried to the next part. So here it is just one place, so it is 4, it is 8, it is 1. This 1 will be carried to the next place and here it is added. So now it is 5. Final result is nothing but 5, 1, 8, 4. Now we have 3-digit number, that is 216. If we have to calculate the square of 216, then 216, this will be segregated in form of 3 rows and 3 columns. So if we divide the diagonals, now 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 6 is 12. 2 again 2 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 6, 6 into 2, 6 into 1, and 6 into 6, 36. So again the similar case is here, so we will add them. It is 6, it is 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 6 15, it is 5, it is 6, it is 4, and last one is 0, so we will not write that. We will again consider the same unit place, this one will be added here. So finally we got 6, 6 and 4. So what is the result of 216? Result of 216 will be equal to 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. The second method is algebraic method. Algebraic method says that we will change that number closest in terms of 10 or hundreds. Here it is 98. We can write them 98 in terms of either 100 minus 2 or 90 plus 8. So for our calculation part, it is easier that we can write 100 plus 2. And we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. We will use that formula. A square minus 2ab and plus b square. We will simplify them. and finally we will get the answer. And this is our required answer, 9604. Similarly, it can be done for any of the number. To calculate the square. Suppose we have to calculate, let any number. Right now we did with the 72. We will go with a little bigger number, that is equal to 74. Suppose this is our number, then my dear, we will use in terms of a square, 2ab and b square form. And here a and b, a is your 7 and b is your 4. Now what is the value of a square? It can be written as 7 square. 2ab, 2 into 7 into 4, and last one is 4 square. So finally it can be written as 4 square is 16. This is equal to 2 7 ja 14, 14 5 ja, and this is 49. Now my dear, you can see that everywhere there is a 2-digit number. So we will just consider the unit place and the rest other number will be carried to the next place. We will start from the last one. This is our required answer. This is left, this is extra. So it will be added here. It is 57. Now it is one place. This 5 will be added here. And finally we will get this is equal to. So this is your answer. 74 square is equal to 5476. Now the most awaited moment, that is how we can calculate the square of any number less than 5 seconds. My dear, this is required little practice. Yes, to explain this will take you 10 seconds, 15 seconds, but when you will make it faster, you will have the more practice and practice, then you will get less than 5 seconds in solving one question. Here the same question I am taking 74 square, and it is a very shortcut of this only. 7 square, this is one number, this is another number. 7 square is how much? This is equal to 49. What is the square of 4? This is equal to 16. And the product of all these three, it means 7 into 4 into 2. This is equal to 56. We will add them and we will get the required answer. 5476, and I think the answer is same. So you can use this. With unit place as 5. What will be the square of that? Let us consider 45 square. How much? It will take just 1 second. My dear, this is nothing but if the unit place is 5, then we will multiply the remaining part with the successor number of that. Suppose in this case it is 4. What is the successor of 4? It is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20 and we will add 25. This is the answer. Similarly, if we take another example, 55. We can take 5 into 6, 30, 25. Similarly, if we take 65, what is the square? 6 into 7, 42, 25. And this is one of the direct method. Another method, I would like to give one more example of the previous one, because many of the students have not understood that part. So once again I am taking the example, this 65, how this 65 is there, we will verify. This is the direct method, this was the little bit which can be applicable for the all numbers. This is only when the unit place is 5. What is the square of 6? 36. 5, 25, product of all these three, 2 5 are 10, 10 6 are 16, and finally we will get the answer. This is equal to 4225. Thank you. To calculate the square root, my dear, the first condition is that the given number should be a perfect square. Suppose right now we calculated here 4225. We take the example 4225. What is the process? We will understand the process first. We will clear up. Here 42, it is 25. So my dear, if this is the unit place is 5, we have to understand that our tens place will be 5. Unit place will be 5, sorry. Again, we will come to the next place, it is 42. We will just check that this 42 is just less than which number square. Now, if we go for 8, it is 64, it is 7, 49 and 6, 36. So 7 cannot be possible. What is the possible? 6. Just one number less than the perfect square. It means 7 is the perfect square, that is greater than 42. So 1 less than, that is equal to 6. So this is the square root of 4225. Simplest, I will take more examples. My dear, here I have written, this is the original number, this is their square number, or you can see that this is the square and this is the square root number. 0 square is, the unit place is 1, 1 square 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, and this is the unit place of square number, and this is their square. This will help you in calculating this part. Suppose we have taken few of the examples. This is 2209. So from here we can see that the unit place is 9. So either the unit place will be 3 or 7. You will always see that there will be a sum of 10. 3 plus 7, 9 plus 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 9, 9, 6, 6, 5, 5. Always the sum will be 10. Now suppose this is either 3 or 7. Now we will check 22. 22 is just less than the square of 5. So 5 is not possible. So tens place is fixed, that is your 4. Now there is two possible answers, that is 43 or 47. We will, to check that, we will consider 4 into successor number. This is the n plus 1. N is your 4. The next number, that is 1. 4 plus 1. If it is less, your answer is less 1. If this is greater, the answer is greater. So here we will consider 4 into 5, it is 20. Question is greater, so answer is greater 1. If question बड़ा है तो आंसर बड़ा होगा, क्वेश्चन छोटा होगा तो आपको. Let us understand with the next example. It is again 29. Again the case of 3 and 7. 53. You know that 7 and 8. 8 is 64. 7 square is 49. So answer is either 73 or 77. So to verify that, we will multiply 7 into 8. That is 56. Now your question part. This is 53. 53 is smaller. So answer is the smaller one. 9801. 1 or 9. Here it is 9 square because 10 square is 100. 9 into 10 is 90. So question is greater. So answer will be greater 1. Here it is 5-digit number. So no worry. You have to follow the same method. First to pair up 69. Again the case of 3 and 7. Here it is 127. What is the square which is the closest one? 11. 11 square is 121. So what is the next number? 11 into 12. You will get this is equal to 132. So your question is smaller. So answer will be smaller 1.